Joe, Beer Master, the Car Master. Today we have a 19 Jeep Renegade. This goes for multiple models. If it looks like this, I'm going to show you how to take the taillight out to change the bulb. First thing you want to do is open the hatch. This is done a little different. It's a little strange. And in here you'll see a compartment. Now some of them may have a bigger door, but this has a small door. So we flick that, and that one popped out easy. All right, you just push that little spot back, and it comes right out. And if you look inside there, right there's that wing nut, right? I'm trying to get my finger in there, up in here. And we're going to spin that with one hand. Reach in there. So I've been spinning it. It's a little tough to get it started. It kind of hurts my fingers, but I got that. I've seen this style before one other time. You just kind of loosen it. There's a spring too. See that? Little wing nut. And once you do that, you're going to pull this out. Throw this with one hand. And then the little button on the top of this wire clip here. We're going to push it down. It's hard to see. It's right in the middle there. You're going to push it down and slide it out. You can use a screwdriver. See how it's separated? Push that piece right there. Disconnect it. So now if you want to change the bulbs, you want to get a Phillips screwdriver in here. There's 4 Phillips screws. And then that will access the bulb panel, and then you change the bulb like you do any other one. Check out my other videos. So that's how it's done. It's very easy, and it's a little different than any other ones. So there you have it. Joe Beer Master, please subscribe if this helped. Share with a friend. Take care.